Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. On Wednesday, what we are witnessing in the currency market is a major downfall in the rupee against the dollar. As we have seen since the past 5 consecutive trading sessions, rupee has traded new lows, new lifetime lows every day. Today also it has made a new lifetime low of 56.12. Right now it is trading at 56.05 levels. What we saw in terms of action from the RBI is that there has been constant intervention done by the RBI in order to stem the flow of dollar upside. At the same time, RBI has also brought in certain regulatory restrictions. Firstly, it has capped the open position limits for the banks on the exchange traded derivatives to 100 million or 15% of the OTC market. What we have also seen is that RBI has maintained that the futures and options positions in the exchange platform would not be set off against the OTC positions. That means they would be accounted for separately. In terms of support for the rupee, what we are seeing is that the international crude oil price has fallen to $92 levels. Also, if the crude oil price falls down up till $80 levels, we would see an increase in the room for quantitative easing 3 by the Fed. So this would in turn support the global economy, or at least the equity markets for the temporary term. We expect the rupee to depreciate further, and the next resistance or target for rupee would be at 56.51. If this level is sustained on a closing basis, then we could well see 57.85 in the spot. The Asian equity markets had opened lower in the morning session as the European leaders meet expectations reduced. The fact that European leaders are expected to not take any key measures has dampened the rise of the equity markets. At the same time, we have the Greece political turmoil continuing, and the fears that Greece would exit from euro are constantly increasing. We expect the euro to weaken on the basis of this Greece political turmoil, as it would impact the other sound and healthy European economies also, like Germany and France, as they have lots and lots of stake in their public debt. We expect the euro to fall against INR, subject to the dollar versus rupee movement. If the dollar rupee movement remains steady or goes down, we expect the euro to reach a target of 71.28. What we saw in terms of the Japanese economy, the credit rating agency Fitch has downgraded the Japanese economy's ratings by 2 notches from AA to A+. At the same time, we saw the ratings of the Japanese currency, that is the Japanese yen, also going down by 1 level from AA- to A+. This has negatively impacted the Japanese currency, and we expect it to depreciate against the domestic currency, that is the rupee. We recommend a hold long positions in the Japanese yen with a target of 71.28 in the spot. In the UK, we expect the Bank of England meeting minutes today. The QE expectations are not that prominent amongst the investors, but still the investors would be eyeing the Bank of England minutes for indications regarding what their policy is, whether they would support growth or they would try to curb the inflation rate. This is expected to bring in more volatility in the pound against the forex measures. At the same time, we expect the pound to appreciate against the rupee, and we could see a reversal at 89.39 levels in the spot, which is termed as a crucial resistance. Thank you.